Just for your information, we have published few 100,000 copies of this. We published 200,000 copies of the Constitution in the English language, 150,000 in the Itaukei language, and we printed about 50,000 in Hindi. Not many people read Hindi, but a lot of people, of course, read Itaukei and English. So we printed that. It's cost us quite a lot of money, but we think it is very important. So this is free. We went to Singatoga Market about 4 weeks ago, and we're giving out copies of this Constitution, and some lady told us, she said, "Oh, I bought one yesterday for $2. So please don't pay any money for this. The Bainimarama government has paid for this. It's free, and we'll also give you additional copies so you can take it back to your villages and wherever you come from, and so people can read it as widely as possible, because you want everybody to have access to this. Under this Constitution, it says that the elections under this Constitution must be held by no later than 30th of September next year. So you have to have elections by 30th September. Can be sooner than that, but the latest is 30th of September. There will now be 50 seats in Parliament. There's one Parliament, no more Senate, but 50 seats in Parliament. And Fiji is one big constituency, like in Israel. Israel, you have one constituency. The whole country is one constituency. So you go and choose, you vote for one person. That's your vote. Everybody does the same. And the person you vote for, you're also voting for their party. So assuming all these gentlemen on this side is party A, is all party B, I may choose this gentleman, somebody comes along, chooses him. When we add up the votes, the total number of votes all the people in this party have got, so assuming they get 20% of all the votes in Fiji, they get 20% of all the seats in Parliament. So they'll get 20% of 50 seats. So that is 10. Yeah, 10. That's 10 seats. And the balance of their seats will go to them because they've got 80% of the seats. So that way it's fair. And the reason why we've said one constituency is because a lot of people complained to us when we had the consultations, is many of the people who, for example, became members of Parliament, as soon as they got elected, you don't see them until election time. Then they come and get your votes. And also, because some people would say, "Oh, I'm elected from Ba." And if you're from Namosi or Serua or Tailevu or Vanuatu, and you will go and talk to them about your problem, you say, "Sorry, I'm from Ba. I can only speak to the people from Ba." But by having one single constituency, whether they're from Ba, whether from Vanuatu, whether from Serua, they all have to listen to you. Because you as a member of Parliament should be concerned about Fijians living everywhere in Fiji. Because what used to happen, if sometimes somebody is just from, say, Ba, all he'll be doing is how to fix up things in Ba. They don't care about other parts of Fiji. So we want members of Parliament, when they go in, they should be concerned about everywhere in Fiji, not just where they come from. So that's the rationale behind of, having a constituency like we've got in Israel, we've got in Moldova, and various other parts of the world, where they have a single constituency and you have proportional representation.